Well, paper engineers, this is what I have done. Now, this is all hooked up to lights, so that's what it's going to be, and it's in every one of those cannon spots. Now, this is the side rail and how it has to go all the way along here to build the second gun deck or the regular deck of the ship. And as you can see, this is a very rough situation, but that's what you have to do all the way around. You got to fill in all the holes. You got to back everything with paper so that your build is extremely strong. So far, I've got the gun deck fixed now. And anyway, this is where I'm carrying on from here. As you can see, I now have all those pieces set. Now this is going to mount right back over here. And that will glue everything together. Now you see I have a little bit of an edge here. That's because you need something to attach your railings and different things to. But you have to do that, and then all those little spaces between the cannon the hatches, those all got to be filled in as well. Once I get the backing on there, then that will be easy to fill them in. Okay, paper engineers in training, here is another part of this finished. You can see from what I have done, you put all this together. Now, you see the gaps between the cannon hatches? Those will all disappear because you have to put little pieces cut and fit into those so that that all disappears. You will see none of it. Well, Paper Army, as you can see, I have now got everything closed in and bridged up. All of this is done in every project, just done at different stages and different shapes. This is what I've been working on for the past 2 months. Getting the gun deck ready. These are the controllers. I have yet to work with the tiller. It's not done. But these 4 controllers right here, those control each piece. Pull this, they open. Pull this other side over here. Come on now, daggone it. And they close. So those are working the best that they can work at this point. I don't think I can mess with them anymore. So now it's all starting to come together with closing it in. And the close-in part's fairly simple. I built this base right here. It goes on just like that. Then we've got all of these. The masts, they have to go in as well. Now, the thing is, I can't close this in yet. I have to put this boom out of the front. That's what I have to do next. Okay, paper engineers in training and enthusiasts of how to build stuff with paper. This is what I'm doing. Those little straws are just a swizzle stick out of some coffee. And I have to have lamps in the back of the pearl. The lamps are going on top of those things. But anyway, this is what you got to do. You got to form your paper and you got to add everything to it. And you can see you got lights all the way around. So it is going to be a very interesting build. Now, I'm also working on the tiller, which is right here. That will spin, that little wood piece will spin around that pin. And I have to have that working. I have to build all kinds of different things for this. You can see I have got a lot of technical work to do to finish up the upstairs section of the black pearl. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but anyway, let's turn them lights on here and see how that works. You can see under there, that has to have a stairwell on both sides, has to have the tiller and all of the interior work done and the exterior work. A lot left to do on this pearl. And then I got to start the rigging once all that is completed. Boy, is this ever been a long build. I never would have believed it.